Good day everyone, I am CJ Linghon and today I will present my cab dispatch system developed using the Laravel framework. This project was created to make the process of booking and managing rides more organized, efficient, and user-friendly for customer, drivers, and admin. Let's start. Gawa tayo ng cab dispatch system sa Laravel. Kailangan mo lang ng PHP 8.3 Plus, Composer, Node.js, MySQL at free API key sa openrootservice.org. Una, gawa ka ng project gamit ang Composer, create project, Laravel cab dispatch. Tapos, pasok ka sa folder at i-install mo yung Breeze para may login at register na gamit ang Composer require Laravel Breeze dev at PHP Artisan Breeze install Blade, tapos npm install and npm run build at PHP Artisan migrate para ma-set up yung out at database. Sa database gumawa ako ng 6 na migration and rule to user table para sa customer, driver, admins rules. Create drivers table para sa vehicle info at live location. Create rides table para sa pick up, drop off, fare, status. Create promo codes table. Create cancellation table at create payment table. Sa models, meron akong driver ride, promo code, cancellation at payment. Yung user model nilagay ko lang ng is admin, is driver, is customers at relationship. Sa controllers, gumawa ako ng booking controller para sa pag-book ng ride, fare controller para sa fare na estimation gamit yung openrootservice API na nagigi-code ng addresses, driver, ride controller para sa accept start complete ng rides na may race condition peaks. Admin, driver controller para sa CRUD ng drivers. Cancellation controller para sa pag-cancel at rating controller para sa 1 to 5 star rating na re-calculate ng driver average. Sa routes ging group ko lang by user sa routes naman group ko lang by user type, customer routes sa dashboard, book, rides, driver routes, may driver prefix at admin routes, may admin prefix at shared routes para sa fare, estimation at cancellation. Sa views, may booking form na may live fare estimation via JavaScript page, driver dashboard na may status toggle at pending rides table, at admin page para sa driver management. Pagtapos na lahat, i-test mo lang, mag-register ka as customer at mag-book ng ride, tapos mag-register ka as driver at i-accept mo yung ride, start is i-complete, tapos i-rate ng customer, working na yung basic flow. Pwede mong idagdag later yung reverb para sa real-time tracking, Sanctum para sa mobile API, Strip para sa payment, auto dispatch algorithm at test. That's all. Thank you po.